Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise number 4A for New Candy Mathematics book 2, class 7 abstract students, and exercise 11A for new syllabus mathematics D1 for A level O level students, and question number 4. DAB is a straight line and we have to find the value of unknown. So students, keep in mind that in this question we will apply two formulas, that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree, means if we sum up the three angles of a triangle, the sum will be 180 degree, and the other formula is exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So first I want to explain that what the exterior angle is called. Students, this is a triangle whose name is PQR. PQR. If we produce any of the side, suppose I am producing QR toward this angle is called exterior angle, and these two angles are called opposite interior angle. It is interior angle of triangle, but it is adjacent interior angle of exterior angle. So students, exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Suppose I name this angle as angle A, then angle A is equal to B plus C. And students, if I produce this side or as to this word, this angle is called angle D, and then angle D is equal to sum of opposite interior angle B plus P. And students, if I produce this side, and this angle is exterior angle and we can name this as angle X, and this angle B is adjacent interior angle of exterior angle, and P and C, these two angles are opposite interior angles, and the sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle. So students, look at this question. ABC is a triangle and angle A is exterior angle of this triangle, and exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So here we will write exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So students, exterior angle is of A degree, or we can say that it is A degree. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles are 55 degree plus 47 degree, and A degree is equal to 5 plus 7 mean 12, 1 carry 5 plus 4 9, and 1 10, 102 degree, and degree will be cancelled with degree, and the value of A is 102. So it is the value of unknown, and it is A part of question number 4. Now I am going to solve B part of the same question, and in B part, students, there are two right angle triangles in this way, and this point is A, and if we join these two vertices or these 2 points, DAB is a straight line and this point is C, and students, this angle is angle B, whereas the value of this angle is 35 degree, and students, this angle is given as C degree, and this angle is 50 degree, whereas these two angles are right angles, and we have to find the value of unknown. And in this left side triangle CAD, this angle is right angle, and we will apply the formula sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree, and when we sum up three angles it will be equal to 180 degree, and then we will discuss triangle CAB, in which angle A is right angle, and again we will apply the same formula, sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So students, it is written as in triangle DAC. I mean to say we are discussing triangle DAC, this triangle, and apply the formula sum of angles in triangle is equal to 180 degree. And students, 50 degree plus 90 degree plus B degree is equal to 180 degree. And students, 90 plus 50 mean 140 degree plus B degree is equal to 180 degree, and 140 is plus. When we transfer it to the side, it will become minus. So B degree is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree, and B degree is equal to 40 degree. When we subtract 140 from 180, we will have 40. Degree will be cancelled with degree, and the value of B is 40. Now students, we will discuss triangle CAB, and it is written as in triangle CAB. Again we will apply the same formula, sum of angles in triangle is equal to 180 degree and 35 degree plus 90 degree. This angle is right angle because this square sign is indicating that it is right angle. Plus C degree, we have to find C, that is equal to 180 degree. Now we will sum up 35 and 90, and when we sum up these two angles, we will have 125 degree plus C degree is equal to 180 degree. 125 is plus on left side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become minus. So C degree is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. Subtract 125 from 180 and we will have 55 degrees. So C degree is equal to 55 degree. Degree will be cancelled with degree, and the value of C is 55. And it is B part of question number 4 of exercise 4A. Now students, I am going to solve C part of the same question, and C part is, there is a triangle and DAB is a straight line. C part of the same question, there is a triangle in this way. BAD is a straight line, DAB, and it is C. And students, this angle is of D degree, whereas angle C is of 2E degree, and this angle B, that is equal to 3E degree, and exterior angle is given, that is 110 degree. Now students, if you look carefully, angle CAD, I mean to say 110 is an exterior angle, and exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So students, 110 degree is equal to 2E degree plus 3E degree, and in this way we will find the value of E. And then students, if you forget about this line CB, then DAB is a straight line, and at point A there are two angles, 110 degree and D degree. So these two angles are adjacent angles on a straight line, and the sum of adjacent angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So 110 degree plus D degree is equal to 180 degree. So in this way we will find the value of D. So first we will apply the formula, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So students, exterior angle is 110 degree, whereas opposite interior angles of 110 degree are 2E degree plus 3E degree. These two terms are the like terms, so we will simplify both the terms and we will get 110 degree plus 5E degree, and 5 is multiplying. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide. So 110 degree over 5 is equal to E degree. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 1 carry and 5 twos are 10. So 22 degree is equal to E degree. Degree will be cancelled with degree and the value of E is 22. Now students, we will sum up 110 and D, and it will be the adjacent angles on straight line, or we can write it as adjacent angles on straight line is equal to 180 degree, and adjacent angles are 110 degree plus D degree is equal to 180 degree, and 110 degree students is plus. When we transfer it to the side, it will become minus, and D degree is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, and when we subtract 110 from 180 we will have 70 degree, and students degree will be cancelled with degree and the value of D is 70. And it is the C part of exercise 4A and 11A. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.